Yes. Anything else you would like to share before we go?
Well, let's see here. Yeah, right here's something I've been trying to get across to people. There was an old German philosopher back in the 1700s that said a lot of had some good stuff to say. I think his name was is spelled Gothe. He said, "See a person as they are, and they'll get worse. See a person as they could be, and they will improve." So I have a story to tell. I have a friend whose mother is 70 years old who had a brain operation. And after the brain operation, it apparently messed up her nervous system, something she could not walk, not even with a cane or a walker. She just simply could not walk. So the next day, she is walking fine without a cane or a walk. Before the week is out, she has walked 4 miles in one day. What did I do? I imagine taking her hand and running down the beach with her. I saw her as she could be.
Wow. So with
That's
doing that, you
all I,
saw her. Go ahead.
that's all I did was imagination. Einstein said imagination is more important than knowledge. That old boy was pretty sharp. He said a lot of good stuff. So, but I imagine just taking this woman's hand and running down the beach with her. All I did. Next day, she's walking.
And you did that with the pendulum or just in your thoughts?
Oh, just did it with imagination.
You did it with imagination. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. That's so if we all expect the best, like you say, then you're going to see the best.
Yeah. If people continue to bitch, whine, and complain about the relatives and who they work with and so on, they're not going to get any better. Use your imagination and see them happy, see them getting along.
Yes. Yes. Gratitude produces more gratitude. Yes.
Well, we covered hopefully a bit of stuff here today that people might be interested in, might be able to help them.
Yes. Can you go ahead and say, like I said, your links are below this video, the TV show. Can you go ahead and tell everybody how to go to your sites?
Yeah, it's real simple. I have two websites up. One is RaymondGrace.us, and the other is RaymondGraceFoundation.org. And oh, by the way, I have a energy clearing project that I do for people that want to come to the website and sign up. I started doing this once a month, and I realized that wasn't enough. And along about that time, COVID made the world go crazy. And I think, okay, I'll do it once a week.